Your messy room is quietly destroying your brain and you don't even notice it. Be honest. Are you watching this from a bed that hasn't been made in 3 days? Yeah, I see you. Here's what nobody tells you. That pile of clothes on the chair isn't just annoying, it's actively eating your brain. Not metaphorically, literally. Princeton researchers found that physical clutter competes for your attention the same way a notification does. Every dish in the sink, every random stack of mail your visual cortex registers, all of it as unfinished business. And unfinished business runs in the background 24/7, draining your mental battery before your day even starts. You ever sit down to work and just can't focus? That's not laziness. That's cognitive debt. Here's the part that changed everything for me. You can't control most of your life, but this you can. And your brain knows the difference. That counter in your kitchen? That's yours. When you wipe it down, your nervous system gets a signal. I'm in charge here. Psychologists call this internal locus of control, and people who have it are less stressed, more motivated, more resilient. So a clean room isn't about being neat. It's about proving to your brain you're not powerless. Now here's the thing people get wrong. They think clean people have superhuman discipline. They don't. They just stopped telling themselves, I'm a messy person. Because here's how identity works. Your brain collects evidence. Every time you leave a bowl in the sink, you're voting for the version of you that doesn't care. Every time you wash it immediately, you're voting for someone else. You're not cleaning, you're deciding who you are. And no, you don't have to overhaul your entire life this weekend. Habit stacking, that's it. Coffee's brewing, wipe the counter, brushing your teeth, clean the sink after. Tiny actions, bolted onto things you already do. Science says it takes 66 days for a behavior to go fully automatic, meaning eventually you won't fight it. It just happens. Like scrolling your phone, except it actually improves your life. Here's the real talk ending. Your home is a physical reflection of what you think you deserve, not what you say you deserve, what you actually believe, deep down. Imagine walking through your front door and just exhaling. Everything in its place. No chaos screaming at you. That feeling? That's not aesthetic. That's your nervous system finally standing down. Pick one surface. Just one. Keep it clean for 7 days straight. Watch what happens to your head. You know the drill. Hit that like button if this resonated and subscribe to stay focused. 1 week, one clean surface. Let me know in the comments what you're starting with. Your brain will thank you later.